Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You open Google Earth and sign in so your work saves. This avoids lost projects later. Next, use the search box. Type an address, landmark name, or precise coordinates to jump there immediately. Once the view centers, tilt and zoom with the mouse or trackpad until the site fills the screen. This gives context for nearby features. Then switch to satellite imagery if needed, because high-resolution imagery reveals details the map layer can hide. Once you frame the location, create a place mark or add a project pin so you can return quickly. Name it clearly and choose an icon for visibility. Then enable useful layers, 3D buildings, borders, labels, and roads to understand context, and toggle imagery date to see which photos are newest. Use the ruler tool to measure distances and bearings when precision matters. You can paste lat/long into the place mark for exact coordinates. These steps make the place searchable and verifiable. Finish by saving the pin to My Places or a project. Export as KML or KMZ to backup or use elsewhere. To collaborate, generate a share link or invite people with view or edit permissions so everyone sees the exact same view. If the location looks wrong, make sure you've selected the latest imagery and check coordinate format. Once done, clear the app cache or refresh the browser and relaunch Google Earth. That usually fixes missing tiles or location mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.